When you search for the best 65-inch car speakers, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to uncover what truly makes a difference in your car's sound, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Recoil MS-65 4P. First up is the Recoil MS-65 4P, priced at just $40.99. This speaker really caught my attention with its powerful 600 watts max output. If you want high-quality sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. So why does this speaker stand out? For starters, it handles the crucial mid-range frequencies beautifully. Plus, the 300W RMS power at 4 ohms gives you a clean sound, so you won't miss any details when you crank up your favorite tracks. Users rave about its ability to fill a car with sound without distortion, and with a 4.5-star rating from over 634 reviews, it's clear that many people are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some folks mention that the installation can be a bit tricky if you're not handy. Here's the thing though, as long as you've got basic tools and a little patience, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you're looking to upgrade your factory sound system without a massive investment. But if you're not keen on a DIY installation, you might want to look elsewhere. Alright, if the Recoil's installation challenge concerns you, the next product on my list might be a better fit. Product number 2, Pioneer A-Series TS-A1671F. Next is the Pioneer A-Series Standard TS-A1671F, priced at $54.87. This is a bestseller for a reason. If you want a balanced sound with easy installation, this is definitely worth a serious look. The three-way design enhances your listening experience by separating the frequencies. With a 320-watt max power handling and a frequency response from 37 Hz to 31 kHz, you're getting a broad range of audio that can handle everything from rap to classical. The sensitivity rating of 91 dB means you can enjoy loud, clear sound even with lower power inputs, which is perfect for those late-night drives. Plus, the included installation adapters make it a breeze to mount. But some users noted that the bass might not be as punchy as they'd like. Here's the thing, while it's true that dedicated subwoofers can deliver deeper bass, this speaker is all about balanced sound. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a variety of music and want an easy upgrade to your factory system. However, if you're a bass head looking for heavy thumping beats, you might want to consider a speaker paired with a subwoofer. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious shoppers. Product number 3, Boss CH6530 Chaos Series. Now let's talk about the Boss Audio System CH6530, which comes in at an incredibly low price of $28.99. You really can't beat that price for a full-range speaker. If you want decent sound on a budget, this is worth checking out. They're lightweight and easy to install, making them ideal for anyone who wants to upgrade their car audio without a headache. The poly injection cone and rubber surround help to enhance the sound quality and durability, so they should last you a while. With over 17,500 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, many users appreciate the value they get for the price. However, some people reported that the sound quality lacks depth compared to pricier options. Here's the thing, for everyday listening while driving, they perform well enough, but serious audiophiles might want to look higher up the price range. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a simple upgrade to your factory speakers without breaking the bank. But if you crave high-fidelity sound, you might want to explore more premium options. Now, if you're looking for something that offers a little more power and clarity, the next speaker might just be the right fit. Product number 4, Boss CH6520. Next up, we have the Boss Audio System CH6520, priced at $23.78. This is a great low-cost option for those who want basic sound improvement. If you want something reliable at an even lower price, this is definitely worth a look. This speaker features a coaxial two-way system that offers a max power of 250 watts. With a sensitivity rating of 90 dB, you'll get a clear sound even when you're not blasting the volume. The construction includes a rubber surround and a poly injection cone, adding to its durability. Plus, Boss offers a 3-year warranty when purchased through Amazon, which is a nice peace of mind. However, some reviews pointed out that they might not be the loudest speakers out there. Here's the deal: for casual listening, they're perfectly fine, but they may not satisfy those looking for powerful sound. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, dependable upgrade for your car audio without spending much. But if you're someone who cranks up the volume regularly, consider a more powerful option. Now, if you want something that focuses on clarity and power, let's move on to our final speaker. Product number 5, Recoil REM 65. Finally, we have the Recoil REM 65 Echo Series, priced at $46.99. This speaker system caught my eye because of its component design. If you're serious about sound quality, this is worth a serious look. With a peak power of 200 watts and RMS power of 100 watts, the REM 65 is designed for those who care about clarity and detail in their music. The lightweight polypropylene cones allow for faster mid-range response, and the silk soft dome tweeters are fantastic for smooth highs without fatigue. Plus, the tweeter volume adjustment is a cool feature that lets you tailor your sound based on your preferences and setup. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 1,300 reviews, it's clear that many enjoy the sound quality it delivers. Here's the thing: if you're up for a little challenge and want the best sound possible, the effort is absolutely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking to elevate your car audio experience with premium sound. But if you prefer something straightforward that requires no fuss, you might want to stick with something simpler. That wraps up our list of top 5 speakers. Each of these options has its strengths and weaknesses, so it really depends on what you're looking for in terms of sound quality, budget, and installation. To sum it all up, we've covered the Recoil MS65 4P for budget-conscious mid-range sound, the Pioneer A-Series for balanced sound with easy installation, the Boss CH6530 for great value, the Boss CH6520 for a reliable low-cost option, and the Recoil REM 65 for serious audiophiles seeking clarity. No matter which you choose, upgrading your car speakers can make a world of difference in your driving experience. Happy listening.